Aloha, and welcome to Dustin Eats. I'm Dustin, and I'm here with my sister Tiffany.
Hi guys!
And today we're making Instant Pot Kalua Pork. Kalua Pork is a roasted pork dish that is traditionally cooked in an imu, which is a Hawaiian underground oven, and it takes many hours to prepare. But using an Instant Pot, it only takes 2 hours. First, let's go over the ingredients.
There are only 4 ingredients. 1, about 3 to 4 pounds of pork butt.
Or you can use pork shoulder.
Liquid smoke, a can of Miller Lite, and Hawaiian salt.
Step 1. Place the pork butt into the Instant Pot.
Next, add half a can of Miller Lite.
And drink the rest. Once finished, fill the can with water and add it to the pot. And don't forget to recycle the can.
Next, add approximately 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke.
Last, add a 1/4 cup of Hawaiian sea salt.
Place the cover on the Instant Pot. And lock it into place. Make sure the Instant Pot is sealed.
Press pressure cook and set it for 2 hours. And that's it. We'll be back in 2 hours. In the meantime, cook some rice to serve with the Kalua pork later. And we're back, and it's been about 2 hours, and the Kalua pork is just about ready. We just need to depressurize the pot. And now the moment of truth. And we're joined by Jess.
Hi guys!
Okay guys, dig in.
Excited.
Broke them out, bro.
For real. It's so soft, the meat. Oh my gosh.
You guys need an Instant Pot.
No, for real. So good.
Oh no.
So good. You guys should try it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And follow my food adventures on Instagram at Dustin Eats. And follow Tiff at Tiffany Colburn Beauty. And Jess at BFFs That Slay. Have an delicious day! This video was brought to you by Terrarium Kits. DIY air plant mini gardens that are fun and easy to assemble. Each kit contains all the supplies needed to create a fabulous terrarium for your home or office. Use code YouTube for 15% off.